share some tip and trick on how to speak in English in a fast way. What do you think about that?
Okay, exactly, my students. Something that you have to know is English is a skill, not a knowledge. So you have to differ between English and social, English and physics. If English, this is a skill, not a knowledge. It means if you practice your skill, it makes perfect. So we have a trick how to speak in English fastly. So first, what is that? First?
The first thing first. Okay, so you have to listen first.
Okay.
Okay, we can listen everything around us, just like listening from the song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Listening to music.
Yeah, listening from the music is very common for the student.
Okay. My student, I have what is that? I ever read a book. Previously that that book explained me that if you want to know something, you have to be a baby.
You have to be a baby.
Yes, what
Are
it
you
means?
sure about
Yes,
that?
what it means? This context about language. If you want to know about the language, every language, Madras language, Japanese, or Greek,
so
or
any kind of language.
Any kind of language. You have to be a baby.
A baby.
Yes. What it means a baby is you have to listen.
Oh, so you have to listen first.
Yes.
So that's why God gave us 2 ears. So you have to listen first. That's good.
Okay.
Well, and now in the second trick is, what is that?
Second trick is repetition.
Repetition.
After you listen something from a music, from song, from what is that? Your society or your environment in speaking English. So try to repeat it.
So you have to repeat again.
Yes. For example, you listen to the music. Dear God. So repeat it. Dear God. What is the meaning, dear God?
So something like new word for you.
New word. That's the thing.
Okay, that's cool.
Repetition.
So repetition. Don't forget.
Okay. What is the third trick?
Okay. And the third trick, we have to forget about grammar.
That's good.
Because when we're talking about grammar, there is some kind of difficulties to remember about grammar. So
that's
if you want to speak faster, forget about grammar.
Okay, everyone, I ever have friends from American, Singapore, and Malaysia. 3 of them explain me that grammar is exactly not really important. Why? Because the purpose of communication is how you make understand your
opposite.
The opposite point. If you speak fastly and the other one will listen to you but don't understand how you speak, that's useless. How good your grammar, how good your pronunciation, but your friend or the other people do understand what you speak.
Understand the message.
That makes sense. Therefore, forget first or ignore first about grammar.
Okay, that's cool. Well, so it's forget about grammar.
Forget about grammar.
Okay, and the fourth one. So what's that, Mr. Ram?
The fourth one is pronunciation. This is something that there are many people. Fail how to speak in English. This is true or not? How to speak this one? How to pronounce this one? For example, there is the word BWK. How I pronounce it? Bob, book, or bag?
Maybe we can learn about that. So that it can make our English fluent. Okay, that's good. Well, pronunciation. Okay, that's cool. And
the last one is?
The last one. Alright. Now the last one is number 5. Okay. So that is we have to speak up. Don't be shy. Because as Pak Ahmad said that English is ability. So if it is ability, for you.
Exactly.
Yeah? So that if you want to learn how to speak English fastly, don't forget, don't ever shy to speak in English. What do you think about that?
Yeah, speak up. If you finish to listen, repeat, you ignore your grammar, try to pronounce it, but you never try to speak up.
Feel shy.
You feel shy in the school. You meet with Mrs. Ulfa. You know how to greet it. Mrs. Ulfa, how are you today? You know that one, but you
don't speak up.
Yes, you don't speak outside.
That will be a burden also.
No. There is no way. There is no way about the skill if you don't practice it. So your ability will be die. I mean, it will be, what is that?
Yeah. Just gone by the wind. Okay.
Gone.
Well, that's all. I think. Don't forget about the fifth trick, the 5 trick that we shared today. Number 1,
listen first.
Second, repetition. Third one, forget about grammar. And the 4th,
about the pronunciation.
And the 5th one,
the last one, speak up. Okay.
Deal?
Okay.
Okay, that's cool. Well, that's enough from us, for you all. And we have to say goodbye. And don't forget to wait for our next trick and trick. Okay?
Okay.
Well, goodbye.